everybody. Sorry I can't be here tonight. My name is Miss Alyssa, and I have two daughters. I'm at my open house for my younger daughter at Green Central at the same time as the sixth grade open house. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you a little bit about our projects. So visual arts class is all kinds of art, all kinds of subjects, and the classes will be with sixth and seventh graders too. This year we have some of my favorite projects. We'll be doing some found object sculpture, kind of like recycled art, down in the makerspace in the basement. We'll be doing a sewing project where you can make like an ugly doll or a soft sculpture. We're going to be doing a portraiture series where we do some drawings of our faces, making funny expressions. We're going to be doing some hair drawings and then some more transparency paintings. We also have a digital unit where we're going to explore some virtual and augmented reality. And what's one I'm forgetting? I think that's our 4 units: painting, drawing, digital, and sculpture. There's no homework in art class if you work hard every day. On the table in front of my room, you'll see our syllabus, or you can just scan the QR code on the wall here and learn more about what our class will be doing. If there are any 6th or 7th graders here, I also teach a murals class, and there is an art elective. You can scan that and learn about our murals class, or walk around the school and see the murals that we've made as part of that class. So have a great night tonight at open house. I'm sorry I'm not here. Miss Alyssa is what the students call me, and I'll see you all next week.